Katie Price has sent a public message to Yazmin Oukhellou to offer her strength and love, who is currently in hospital following a fatal car accident in Turkey. Yaz, 28, is understood to be receiving treatment for serious injuries to her arms in intensive care at a hospital in Turkey after she was involved in a car accident. The Only Way Is Essex star's ex-boyfriend Jake McLean was understood to be driving the car in Bodrum, Turkey when he lost control of the vehicle, which has since been pictured on its roof in shocking snaps. According to locals, emergency services rushed to the scene to tend to Yaz and 33-year-old Jake, but they were unable to save the businessman, who previously dated Lauren Gudger. TOWIE stars and celebrity friends of Yaz and Jack have shared their shock and prayers on social media, including Amy Childs, Chloe Brockett, and Liam Gatsby. Amy, 32, shared a photo of herself and the brunette on her Instagram page and posted a red heart emoji alongside a trio of praying hands emojis in the caption. And 21-year-old Chloe shared a group photo with herself and Yaz in the picture on her Instagram story and penned, "Thinking of you, Yaz. Please keep Yaz in your prayers tonight," followed by a red heart emoji. While Liam, 33, wrote on his Instagram story, "RIP my bro, we just lost a real one." And now model Katie, who is currently on holiday in Thailand with beau Carl Woods, has shared a tribute to the pair. Katie posted a photo of Yaz in a white bikini tip and skirt on her Instagram story on Monday afternoon. She then made tributes to both Yazmin and Jake as she wrote, "Devastating news, RIP Jake McLean," and sending strength and love to @Yazmin Oukhellou, followed by a crying face and red heart emoji. Meanwhile, Jake's former flame Lauren has reportedly been left devastated by the news of his passing. Lauren, who is pregnant with her second child, and Jake dated on and off from 2012 until around 2016. Jake was then romantically linked to Yaz in 2019, and the brunette left Essex and moved to Dubai to be with Jake. They then went Instagram official in December before splitting in January. Yaz and Jake are understood to have been on holiday in Turkey, and Jake was said to have been involved in a business deal before the crash. However, a source told The Sun it wasn't known they had rekindled. They said, "Nobody is quite sure what they were doing out there. We thought they'd split up, but apparently he was involved in some sort of business deal." But whatever's gone on, this is just heartbreaking. We hope to get a proper update on how she is soon. But it sounds very, very serious, perhaps life-changing. Yaz's mum is reported to have jetted to Turkey to be at her daughter's bedside as she is treated in hospital. A A source told the Mail Online, "It's a complete tragedy and a total loss of life. Everyone is in shock and hoping Yazmin makes a full recovery."